Hello everyone! Welcome back to Top English Channel. Today, we will learn English very simply and easily.
Don't worry, just relax and have fun while learning.
That's right. And today, we're staying at a hotel.
Yes, we'll learn how to check in, ask for help, and handle problems.
Plus, we'll act out a funny misunderstanding. It's going to be hilarious.
So let's start. Have you ever stayed in a hotel where they speak English?
Yes, it can be stressful if you don't know what to say.
Exactly, but we're here to help you.
Right, so let's learn hotel vocabulary first.
Good idea. When you arrive at a hotel, you go to the front desk or reception.
That's where the receptionist works.
The receptionist helps you check in and answers your questions.
Check in means to register and get your room key.
Right, and when you leave, you check out.
It makes sense. Now, let's talk about types of rooms.
There's a single room for one person,
A double room with one big bed for two people.
a twin room with two separate beds.
And a suite, a fancy, expensive room with a living area.
Ooh, fancy.
Very fancy.
What about amenities? What does that mean?
Amenities are the extra things the hotel offers.
Like Wi-Fi, breakfast, a gym, a pool.
Exactly. Some hotels have lots of amenities.
Very useful to know. Hey, viewers, have you stayed in a hotel? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, and tell us about any funny experiences. Don't forget to like this video.
Okay, now let's learn the check-in process.
When you arrive, you approach the front desk and say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Or, hi, I'd like to check in, please.
The receptionist will ask, "What name is the reservation under?"
You give your name. It's under Smith, or the reservation is under John Smith.
Then they'll ask for identification.
Can I see your ID and credit card, please?
You hand them your passport or driver's license and credit card. They might also ask, "How many nights will you be staying?"
You answer, 3 nights. Or, we're staying until Friday.
Simple. All right, let's act out a check-in scene. I'll be the guest, you're the receptionist.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Approaching desk. "Hello, I have a reservation."
Good evening. Welcome to our hotel. What name is the reservation under?
"It's under Martinez."
Martinez. Let me see. Yes, I have you here. A double room for 2 nights, correct?
"Yes, that's right."
Perfect. May I see your ID and a credit card, please?
"Here you go."
Thank you. And will you be needing any assistance with luggage?
"No, thank you. I only have one small bag."
Wonderful. Here's your key card. You're in room 305 on the 3rd floor. The elevators are just around the corner.
Great. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the ground floor.
Perfect. Thank you.
My pleasure. If you need anything during your stay, just call the front desk. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
See, that's a typical check-in.
Very smooth and professional.
Now let's talk about asking for help.
Yes, during your stay, you might need things.
Like extra towels, pillows, or blankets.
You call the front desk and say, "Hello, could I get some extra towels, please?"
Or, hi, I need more pillows in room 305.
They'll say, "Of course, we'll send someone right up."
What if something is broken?
Like the TV doesn't work or the air conditioning is broken.
Yes.
You call and say, "Hello, the TV in my room isn't working. Could someone take a look?"
Or, the air conditioning seems to be broken. Can you send someone to fix it?
They'll send maintenance to fix it.
What about asking for recommendations?
Oh yes, you can ask, "Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?"
Or what tourist attractions are close to the hotel?
Receptionists usually have great suggestions.
They know the area well.
Very helpful.
Now let's talk about complaints. Sometimes things go wrong.
Yes, it's important to know how to complain politely.
Right. Be firm but respectful.
Common complaints include, "The room is too noisy."
Or, the room is dirty.
Or there's no hot water,
These are serious problems.
so you need to speak up.
How do you complain politely?
You start with, "Excuse me, I'm having a problem with my room."
Or, I'm sorry to bother you, but there's an issue.
Then explain the problem clearly.
The room is very noisy. I can hear people in the hallway all night.
Or there's no hot water in my bathroom.
The hotel should fix the problem or offer a solution.
Like moving you to a different room.
Exactly. Let's practice. I'll be a guest with the complaint. You're the receptionist.
Okay.
Excuse me, I need to speak to someone about my room.
Of course, what seems to be the problem?
I'm in room 305 and it's extremely noisy. There's a lot of noise from the street, and I couldn't sleep at all last night.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. That's not acceptable.
Is there anything you can do?
Absolutely. Let me check. I can move you to a quieter room on the backside of the building, away from the street. Would that work?
Yes, that would be perfect. Thank you.
Not a problem at all. I'll have someone help you move your belongings right away. And I'd like to offer you a complimentary breakfast as an apology for the inconvenience.
Oh, that's very kind. Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure. We want to make sure you have a comfortable stay.
See, the hotel fixed the problem.
And they apologized and offered compensation.
Good hotels want happy guests.
Now comes the fun part. We're going to act out a funny misunderstanding.
Oh, yes, this is going to be hilarious.
Okay, here's the situation. I'm a guest who wants ice for my drink.
And I'm the receptionist who misunderstands.
Perfect! Let's go.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, I need some ice for my room.
Ice? You need eyes?
No! Ice. I-C-E. For my drink.
Oh, you need to see. You lost something?
No! Ice. Cold. Frozen wire.
Oh, ice. I'm so sorry. I thought you said eyes.
No! Just regular ice for my soda.
Of course. The ice machine is on every floor near the elevators.
Thank you. I was so confused.
Me too. Sorry about that.
To the viewers. See? Pronunciation matters.
Ice and eyes sound similar.
Very similar.
Let's do another funny misunderstanding.
Okay, this time about the wake-up call.
Oh, this will be good.
You're the guest. I'm the receptionist.
Got it.
Okay, phone rings at front desk. Good evening, front desk.
Hi, I'd like to request a wake-up call for tomorrow morning.
Of course. What time?
7 a.m., please.
Confused. Wait, you want us to walk up? Walk up where?
No, wake up. W-A-K-E. Like wake up from sleep.
Still confused. Walk up the stairs? No! A wake up call on the telephone to wake me up in the morning.
Oh, a wake-up call. I'm so sorry. Yes, we can definitely do that. 7 a.m.
Yes, thank you. My apologies for the confusion.
To the viewers. These misunderstandings happen.
Especially with similar sounding words.
Don't worry. Just clarify and laugh about it.
Exactly.
All right, let's talk about checking out.
Yes, when you're ready to leave.
You go to the front desk and say, "I'd like to check out, please."
The receptionist will ask, what room number?
You tell them, "Room 305.
They'll prepare your bill.
The bill shows all your charges, the room, any food or drinks, parking, etc.
Always check the bill carefully.
Make sure everything is correct.
If something is wrong, say, excuse me, I think there's an error on my bill.
They'll check and fix it,
Then you pay.
usually with the same credit card you used at check-in.
And they'll ask, how was your stay?
This is your chance to give feedback.
If everything was good, it was wonderful. Thank you.
If there were problems, it was okay, but there were a few issues.
Be honest but polite.
Let's practice checking out. You're the guest. I'm the receptionist.
Ready.
Good morning. Checking out?
Yes, please. Room 305.
Perfect. Let me pull up your bill. Okay, your total is $350. That includes 2 nights at $150 per night, plus breakfast for 2 mornings at $25 each.
That looks correct.
Great. I'll charge the card we have on file. All done. How was your stay?
It was excellent. The room was very comfortable and the staff was so helpful.
Wonderful. We're so glad you enjoyed it. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Thank you for staying with us. We hope to see you again.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Perfect checkout.
Quick and easy.
Now let's review everything we learned today.
We learned hotel vocabulary, front desk, receptionist, check-in, checkout.
We learned types of rooms, single, double, twin, suite.
We practiced checking in with all the questions.
We learned how to ask for help and make requests.
We practiced complaining politely about problems.
We also acted out funny misunderstandings with ice and eyes and wake up call and walk up.
Those are hilarious.
We also learned about checking out and reviewing the bill.
Now, viewers, practice these phrases.
Next time you stay at a hotel, try using English.
Even if you're nervous, just try.
And write in the comments, what's your funniest hotel experience?
Or tell us, do you prefer hotels or other accommodation?
We want to hear from you.
All right, everyone, that's all for today.
We hope you feel confident about staying at English-speaking hotels.
If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to Top English channel.
We make new videos every day.
Easy English for everyone.
Now go book a hotel and practice.
And don't confuse ice with eyes.
Oh, or wake up call with walk up.
Thank you so much for watching.
Have a great stay.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.